Today I'm going to be installing the viral high pressure shower head that's trending on TikTok right now. Just for a reference, this is the water pressure on my shower head before. This is it after. It's a handheld shower head that comes with a scalp massager and a water filter. It's got 3 settings: a rainfall mode, a mix mode, and a mist mode. It's got this 4th setting where if you take off the shower head, you can use it to clean your shower or tend to whatever needs you have. It also has a stop button, so I'm able to stop it whenever I'd like. Honestly guys, for 20 bucks, you get this high pressure, versatile shower head